numbers. It's an early one. Today is December 1st. It was just November 30th. That's why I'm off. It's because it's literally, we're only an hour and a half into December. I was coming into the town of Claude, Texas. Let's get some high beams on. That guy's far enough ahead of us. He shouldn't be bothered by that. Still having issues with the editing PC. So, who knows what state the channel's in right now. It's been like 4 days since my last upload again. Because I'm not, I don't know what's going on with me. I just don't ever have the time anymore for some reason. We were so good for a while, and now I just never have the time. That's fine. It's fine. This channel will continue as long as I can continue to record things and keep putting them out there. Maybe not as frequent. It's fine. We do a lot of running over the same territory over and over again now. So, you know, it's just little moments like this where you see a town that maybe I've never recorded in before. Cue a recommended video where I drive through this exact same town previously. I've definitely driven through this town. I just don't know if I've ever recorded it. We're about 20 miles southeast of Amarillo, Texas. No, thank you. Static. Cloud. Claude. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's honestly, it's Texas, so probably Claude is the way. Hey, it's Jeffco, or the Jeffsco. Actually, I think it's Sefco. I think it's a C. On the left there, that truck stop thing. Are you gonna pull out in front of me? Yep. You jerk. That was a kind of jerky move. Kind of expect better than that from other truckers, but whatever. It's fine. He's faster than me anyway. He's passed me a couple of times tonight. Which is weird because I definitely stopped and took a like 2-hour nap and somehow I've caught this guy again. So that's amusing. Alright, goodbye Claude, Texas. It's a little bit windy, so you might be noticing some wind noises now that we're getting out away from the buildings. Apologies for that. It's Amarillo. Amarillo is, on average, the windiest city in Texas. With an average wind speed, I literally just looked this up. The average wind speed in Amarillo, Texas is like 13.1 miles per hour. Average. Total. Constantly. That's amazing. Like, most cities' average wind speed is like 3-4 miles an hour. Are you really not gonna go the speed limit, dude? I know you're faster than me. Why are you not? Yeah, you're getting there. Alright, let's just back off. Let him speed up. I know, I'm too close. I'm backing off. He's actually slowing down. Alright. Let's see how he does once we're on the other side of the hill, and then we'll decide if we're going to pass him or not. Just got some traffic coming. Stop. I know, but I'm too close. You can stop warning me. I need my display of how close I am so I know how much I need to back off. Alright. That's better. That's 3.5 seconds, 3.7, 4 seconds. Alright. That's safe. That's not perfect, but that's at least safe. Alright, yeah, he's doing 65 now. Cool. Cruise control. No. This job would not be nearly as interesting if there was nobody else on the road. Like, for one, I wouldn't be blind here by the guy with the high beams. It's fine, it's fine. Oh, he's doing 70 now. Impressive. Goodbye, person. No, 68. 68. Alright. And he's out of my range. Bye! Yeah, so the load we're doing right now picked up in, where did we pick up? Carthage, Texas. East Texas over by Shreveport, Louisiana, just across the border. Yeah, picked up there. There's a Tyson chicken slaughterhouse. We're hauling this to a grocery warehouse near Ogden. A place we've been before, Associated Grocers. Why are you moving over? What do you see? What do you see with your elf eyes? Car. Alright. I think that's that. Let's get back over the right lane, even though the truck ahead of us never did. But that's fine. Yeah, so there's a winter storm brewing for December 1st. About to hit, I think it's already started in Wyoming. It's going to roll across Nebraska. The Texas Panhandle should get a little bit of it soon, tomorrow or tonight, like late December 1st. It is currently very early December 1st, like 1:30 in the morning. Yeah, so this area will get a little bit of ice and snow as well. So we're trying to kind of punch out into the desert before that happens. We're heading for US 491 from Gallup to Montpelier, Utah, and then 191 from Montpelier to Price, US 6 from Price to I-15. So that's the routing plan. It's not ideal. We've got a few stoplights. It's not ideal because we're supposed to be doing like 600 miles every day on this load, which is not ideal on a route that's not entirely interstates. Not even like mostly interstates. So going to be a little bit tight, potentially. We might actually fall short and be 8 hours late. Or I guess it would be 10 hours late, because if I fall short, I'm not going to have any time. Oh, probably only 8 hours late. We should be able to make it there at least 2 hours early, and then I'll run out of time before that. I do kind of like delivering to this place, just because there's curbside parking nearby and a lot of places to eat. So it's one of my favorite places to park. But anyway, yeah. So thanks for checking in with me while I drive across the desert, or across the Great Plains of West Texas, all alone, approaching Amarillo. Oh, we're getting past. There's another vehicle on this road. Gasp. But definitely come say hi on Twitter at @LeoDare, no apostrophe in the username. You can also find me at AzerAngel17 on Twitch.com, though I don't get a lot of opportunities to live stream at the moment. Or you can drop in and say hi on Xbox Live, Steam, and Twitter at @LeoDare, no apostrophe in the usernames. But of course, you can probably search the apostrophe and still get me on most of those services, I think. I don't know about Steam or Xbox Live. You can definitely search it on Twitter and I still pop up. And just the internet in general. Not a lot of Odares out there, it turns out. There's like one actor from one of the Hunger Games movies. It has the last name O'Dare without the E. And that's pretty much it. Just me and everyone related to me. I have a unique internet footprint. But yeah, come say hi. I'm on Twitter all the time. I check it literally every time I stop the truck. It's a great place to get something before my eyeballs, check in, see what we're doing. You can see photos and stuff from the road because it's a lot easier to post photos than to post videos.